In this video, I'm going to show you how I signed up for MailerLite. MailerLite is an email marketing software that allows you to send out email broadcasts to your email list, as well as set up automations like email welcome sequences and email funnels. So this is something that you would want to have if you have an online business. So to sign up for free, you go to the MailerLite website and you click on create your account, and you put in your company name, your email, and a password. Now they will also show you the features that you will get when you sign up for a free account with MailerLite. So you will be able to create email campaigns, forms, and pop-ups for your website, email automations, which are email sequences, and websites and pages, right? So these will be landing pages, which would be like a one-page website onto which you can collect email addresses. So it will prompt you to complete your profile, and once you click on this, you'll have to fill in your name, your company address, the industry, the number of workers, the familiarity of the software, the number of email subscribers that you currently have, how you collect email subscribers, what you plan to use MailerLite for, your experience with the software and platforms, how you found out about MailerLite, and then you have to agree to their terms and conditions and their policies. Once you enter this information, then you have to request approval, and this includes verifying your website and your professional email address, right? So again, if you don't have a professional email address for your business, right, then you can check out this video up here where I go through how you can get a professional email address, which is basically having like your name or info at your website.com. So what they will do is send a link to that professional email address that you have, and once you click on the link provided within that email, it will verify your email address. And once you're verified, you can start sending emails. Right. So during the sign up process, I did not put in my full and exact company address because that happens to be my residential address because I have an online business. I don't have like a full-on store or office space that I'm renting somewhere. So because in this particular email marketing software, you don't have an option to use their address or even like a PO box, therefore I decided to kind of generalize my address so that my full and exact address isn't out there. So it's still in the vicinity, but it's not exact, right? Because this address is going to be displayed at the bottom of each and every email that you send out so as to comply with GDPR policy. The main reason that I chose MailerLite as the email marketing software for my online business is because I find that it is a great platform if you have like a combination type business. And what I mean by that is I intend to have both physical and digital products and services under my business. So that means that I would want the e-commerce integration and shopping cart type of integration from my email marketing software, as well as it being able to have an email campaign or email funnel system leading up to the launch of one of my digital products or virtual services, and that is something that I think MailerLite all around has all of these integrations. So in that respect, I definitely would want to have best of both worlds, and that is why I chose MailerLite for my online business specifically. And if you'd like to try out MailerLite, there's an affiliate link in the description where you can sign up and try them out for free, and you get a lot of the automations and features on the free version. So definitely check it out. And if it is you haven't yet created a professional email address for your online business, check out this video coming up next, and I'll see you over there.